In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix if apps on your iPhone doesn't switch into landscape mode when you tilt your device horizontally. Be sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Basically, guys, that is really simple to fix that issue, because all we have to do is just swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to bring up the control center, and all we have to do now is just make sure that this button with this lock is not highlighted, because if it is highlighted it locks the current orientation of the screen. And then if we'll try to switch YouTube app into horizontal or landscape mode, it won't work because now this mode is locked. So all we have to do in order to fix that issue is just turn off that shortcut. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.